Holding on to them, yeah, I like that. I know I sound weird. Hey, I'm Jelena from More Cake, Yes Man Badass Edible Art, and I'm here to give you an honest review on a product that I've been using. So let's just jump right into it. So today's product that I'll be reviewing is the Innovative Sugarworks Sugar Shapers. Say that 5 times fast. Innovative Sugarworks Sugar Shapers. Innovative Sugarworks Sugar Shapers. Innovative Sugarworks Sugar. Okay, I give up. Now, I've used these sugar shapers for over 6 months now, and I'm absolutely in love with them. 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 Okay, when I'm happy, I do a happy dance, and that was my happy dance. So anyways, I'm absolutely in love with them for several different reasons. Now, I'm going to go over basically what their packaging describes the product to be, and I'll let you know if their product description tells the truth. I don't know how else to say that. If their product description is how it is described. Boom, better way to say it. It has some features here on the side, some features, and I circled the ones that I felt like were most important. Now, these are made with flexible food grade TPE and will maintain physical integrity against breakage, cracking, and deterioration. All color coded with different colors on them with these little bubbles here. The ones I have been using, firm tip ones, and they're more of the darker gray. And what I really love about these is that it helps in every way for me to detail all of the sculpting on my cakes that I do. So the packaging says it comes with 6 tips, but in reality, it's more like 12 because they're double-sided. It comes with a larger tip on one side and that same tip on the opposite side, but it's much more smaller. Durable, residential, commercial, dishwasher safe, heat and cold resistant as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit continuously. Now, to me, that was a giant big deal because how often do you want to take the time to wash all of your tools, all of your dishes, everything you have to wash? Like, to be able to sit this in the dishwasher with the rest of my dishes, thank you. That's one less thing that I have to wash and worry about. And then it's FDA approved and food safe material. And that is a big deal, especially in our line of work. We always want to use something that's safe. So that way, you know, there's no interacting with certain chemicals that can't work with food. I've used the competition, and they're not really in competition because it was like 2 different levels of it. I've used alternative, let's say that. I've used alternative sugar shapers, and they were nowhere near close to how good these Innovative Sugarworks shapers are. On the back, it's showing the different colors, if you can see there. It's showing the different colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 6. Those colors go to the colors on your shapers here, right? So it'll tell you which tool it is. So I can just read off basically what all the tools are. A trip tip chisel, a bone chisel, a round tip chisel, a square tip chisel, a lip chisel, and a pointed chisel. Those are all the same tools that are on the firm tip ones, right? The difference is that these are more firm tip, where you can see there's very little of it moving around, right? So I just want to show you the difference between the soft tip and the firm tip. Whereas the firm tip, it's very hard, very sturdy, not as pliable or flexible as these will be, where you can tell like these can really bend. Okay, they're definitely softer, much more flexible. And these are the mini ones, which I think is pretty awesome too, because when you have even smaller details to create, these are perfect to use. And these come with all of the same tips as the firm tip ones do. They're just in smaller form, which I feel like they're adorable. They're not as wide as the firm tip ones, but they still have all the great features of being covered in that silicone, having these grips here to hold on to, and they're color coded so you know which is which. I like this. I like this grip. I like this hold. And I like how it feels in my hand. Now, some details that I actually really enjoyed about them that I didn't even know that I would enjoy them until after 6 months of using them. Now, I am a traveling cake artist. I travel to different places all the time, and to travel with all of my tools and pack everything up is a real big hassle. So the more compact the tool is, the better. And the more that it fits in my traveling kit, even better. The fact that they're really light is a big deal to me because all of my other tools are really, really heavy. And I had to take out tools that were the alternative to those tools because I felt like I don't really need this one because I have my SugarWorks sugar shapers. Like, I don't need this certain tool because this SugarWorks sugar shaper actually works. So I find myself grabbing for these more than I do the alternative tools that are out there for artwork. So let's discuss price. These go for about $44.99 on their website. That doesn't include shipping. And I purchased mine off of Amazon. So I'm on Amazon Prime. So I believe I got mine for about $45. I want to say that $45 or $46. And they were the second expensive tool I've ever purchased in the edible art world. $45 was a big deal to me. If you're in the cake world, you're kind of like, maybe the alternative. Thus the reason I used the alternative for so long. But I'm going to tell you this. I have gotten my money back tenfold on this product because of how good the product is. I use it on all of my cakes every time. So I do not regret spending that amount of money. I think it's well worth it. I think you're receiving a really good product for the really good dollar amount. And I think their product description on the back matches and even probably misses some of the things that you can possibly do with these things because of the simple fact that I've used these on things that they haven't described. And I didn't even know you could use on. Like, when I started using them on wafer paper, I was like, thank you, gosh. Now I don't have to use like other alternative tools and I can just have this one tool. So that was a big deal for me also. I will give this a 10 out of 10 on products here on More Cake. I'm not doing a point system, but I give them a 10 out of 10 anyways because I think their product is well worth it. I think they're really awesome to work with. Their shipping was on point as well, and they have great customer service. What I will say is Innovative SugarWorks has not paid me for any of this. They are not advertising me or sponsoring me. That being said, they did, however, send me a package of goodies. Once I told them that I was going to be doing a review, I do advise the people that I will be reviewing that I will be reviewing their product just in case they wanted to maybe give a comment, have suggestions, or even give a coupon code to the viewers. And they did. They provided me with a coupon code. It's here on your screen. Go to their website, purchase these sugar shapers or any of the other goodies that they have. I will be showing you some more stuff that they sent me at the end of this video. So go ahead and purchase some of these things because let me tell you, I stand by the sugar shapers. That's for sure. Any hoozles. If you guys are interested in me doing a review on any other product out there that you may have not used yet, you want to use, or you do use, and you want to get my take on it, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know which product that is. I'm hella excited for all of these products and I cannot wait to come back to you guys and show you the reviews on how I feel about them. Currently, I'm excited. Like, I haven't even used them and I'm excited to use them. So yeah, these sugar shapers make it so much more easier to do the things that I want to do. So again, go to the website, use a 10% off coupon code, and enjoy all the new things you're going to buy. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.